Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make chicken Alfredo with broccoli. So this is our ingredients. I have broccoli and 2 breast chicken that we need to cut it later, and black pepper, paprika, salt. I used this before it got expired. I was gonna make my own, but I found that one in my pantry, so I have to get rid of it. Alright, so I have this linguine. You can cook the linguine according to the box instructions, just the behind of the box. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so first we are going to put the seasoning the chicken, and we're going to brown it. I like my chicken a little bit brown. Next step. Let's put some oil in there to just brown the chicken. Alright, I think it should be enough. We just have to slice the chicken for 1/2 inch. Alright. Okay, this chicken is not fully cooked yet, so we just have to slice it before we cook it again. Actually, some of them cook. Looks so moist. Almost done. Almost there. So I know a lot of people also have cooked different ways, like Alfredo. So this is my way. My way. Okay, let's cook it again. I forgot to tell you that I have garlic. As usual, I forgot. Okay. On the same pan, we're gonna add a little oil, olive oil. Then add garlic. You just have to like light brown. Just grate it until light brown. We just cook it like 3 minutes. Cook it again for 3 minutes. 3 more minutes. Now let's add the sauce. I'm going to add a little bit hot water in this one because there's so much in there. And I don't want my sauce so sticky. Like that is really sticky. Or you can also add 1 cup of chicken broth. See, they're really sticky and I don't like my sauce so sticky. So here it is. Just like 3/4 of hot water with this cup out bottle. That one looks a lot, but later on that one will absorb. Now you can adjust your seasoning. You can put more black pepper or chicken powder. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to add more black pepper or maybe chicken powder. I will add a little bit black pepper. And let's simmer this like 3 to 4 minutes, and we'll add the broccoli and the pasta. Alright, we'll add the broccoli, then follow the pasta. I like my Alfredo a lot of broccoli. Broccoli is a lot of benefits also. I think that one also prevention for cancer. And we'll add the pasta. Because I don't want my broccoli overcooked. It takes so long to stick in there. Come on, get in there. Get in there. That's a lot of pasta. My daughter not here. She stay in her workplace because they have a terrible weather. Daughter, you will miss your Alfredo. But don't worry, I will save some for you. Until probably you get home tomorrow. I miss you, Baba. Miss you, Baba. Love you, baby. You can sprinkle some parsley, and also if you have fresh basil, you can also garnish some basil. I think that should be enough. Turn up your heat and ready to serve. See, the broccoli is not that overcooked. That's what I want, that crunchy. Still crunchy on my mouth when I bite it. See, that's what also I like. Alfredo doesn't have a lot, I mean, so creamy. I don't like that so creamy. Should be good for me. Alright everyone, here is my chicken Alfredo with broccoli. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And also welcome to all those new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. And also hello to all subscribers and to all my family and friends and my partner and my former co-workers. Hello to all of you. I hope you guys doing well and hope you stay safe and stay warm. I know the weather is not really nice here. Okay, be safe you all. God bless. See ya.